Welcome back to Autos Vehicles, where we break down the latest machines shaping the future of motorcycling. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 new Honda CRF 750L, a motorcycle that aims to redefine the mid-weight adventure and dual sport segment. Built on Honda's legendary CRF DNA, the 750L blends off-road toughness with long-distance comfort, targeting riders who want one bike to do it all. The legacy behind the CRF 750L. Honda's CRF lineup has always stood for durability, balance, and rider confidence. From hardcore dirt machines to adventure-focused platforms, the CRF badge represents decades of racing and real-world experience. The 2026 CRF 750L builds on this heritage by combining modern technology with proven mechanical reliability, making it suitable for both seasoned adventurers and riders stepping up to a larger capacity dual sport. Bold and purposeful design. The design of the 2026 Honda CRF 750L is aggressive yet functional. Sharp body lines, a tall stance, and a slim midsection reflect its off-road intentions. The high-mounted front fender, compact LED headlight, and aerodynamic side panels give it a rally-inspired look. Honda has clearly focused on reducing visual bulk while maintaining a rugged, adventure-ready presence that looks just as good on mountain trails as it does on the highway. Engine and performance overview. At the heart of the CRF 750L is a newly refined 750cc parallel twin engine, engineered to deliver strong low-end torque and smooth mid-range power. This setup is ideal for technical off-road riding while still offering enough top-end performance. For long highway stretches, Honda's emphasis here is not on extreme horsepower but on usable, predictable power that builds confidence in all riding conditions. The engine is expected to feature advanced fuel injection mapping, improved thermal efficiency, and reduced internal friction. The result is a responsive throttle feel, minimal vibration, and consistent performance whether you're crawling over rocks or cruising at speed. Transmission and ride control. The 2026 CRF 750L comes equipped with a 6-speed gearbox, optimized for both trail riding and touring. Gear ratios are carefully spaced to provide smooth acceleration and controlled power delivery at low speeds. Honda is also likely to offer an optional dual-clutch transmission, DCT, allowing riders to choose between manual control and fully automatic shifting. Multiple ride modes adjust throttle response, traction control, and power delivery, making the bike adaptable to changing terrain. Whether it's sand, gravel, mud, or asphalt, the CRF 750L is designed to respond intelligently to rider input. Chassis and frame engineering. Honda uses a lightweight steel or semi-aluminum frame designed to balance strength and flexibility. This frame improves handling precision while absorbing trail impacts, reducing rider fatigue on long journeys. The narrow waist and optimized weight distribution make the CRF 750L feel lighter than its actual weight, especially when standing on the pegs during off-road sections. A reinforced subframe supports luggage and a passenger, making the bike suitable for adventure. Touring without compromising structural integrity. Suspension built for real adventure. Suspension is a critical component for any adventure bike, and Honda delivers with long travel, fully adjustable suspension. Up front, high-quality inverted forks handle rough terrain with ease, while the rear monoshock provides consistent damping under load. This setup allows riders to fine-tune the suspension for solo riding, two-up travel, or heavily loaded adventure trips. The result is excellent ground clearance, controlled body movement, and confidence-inspiring stability across a wide range of riding conditions. Braking and safety systems. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L features a robust braking system with dual front disc brakes and a strong rear disc, providing excellent stopping power. Honda's advanced ABS system is expected to include off-road settings, allowing rear-wheel ABS deactivation for better control on loose surfaces. Traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS further enhance rider safety without feeling intrusive. These systems work in the background, supporting the rider while still allowing a connected, engaging riding experience. Wheels, tires, and off-road capability. True to its CRF roots, the 750L rolls on 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, a preferred setup for serious off-road riding. This wheel combination improves obstacle clearance and stability on uneven terrain. Factory-fitted dual sport tires. strike a balance between dirt traction and road durability, making the bike ready to ride straight from the showroom. Spoked wheels with reinforced rims add durability for aggressive off-road use while maintaining flexibility under impact. Technology and rider interface. Honda equips the CRF 750L with a modern TFT digital display, offering clear visibility in all lighting conditions. The interface provides essential ride information such as speed, gear position, fuel consumption, ride modes, and navigation support. Smartphone connectivity allows riders to access calls, messages, and turn-by-turn navigation through handlebar controls. This technology enhances convenience without distracting from the riding experience. Comfort and ergonomics. Long-distance comfort is a key focus of the 2026 CRF 750L. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat reduce fatigue during extended rides. Seat height is designed to offer ground clearance while still being manageable for a wide range of riders. Wind protection has been improved with a redesigned windscreen and fairing, reducing turbulence at highway speeds. Adjustable components, such as handlebars and foot pegs, allow riders to customize the ergonomics to suit their riding style. Fuel efficiency and range. Efficiency is another strong point of the CRF 750L. Honda's refined engine, tuning, and lightweight construction contribute to impressive fuel economy for a 750cc adventure bike. A generously sized fuel tank ensures a long riding range, making it ideal for remote travel where fuel stops are limited. This balance of performance and efficiency makes the bike suitable for daily commuting as well as cross-country adventures. Practicality and accessories. Honda is expected to offer a wide range of factory accessories for the 2026 CRF 750L. These include panniers, top boxes, engine guards, skid plates, heated grips, and auxiliary lighting. Such options allow riders to tailor the bike for touring, commuting, or hardcore off-road exploration. The bike's electrical system is designed to support additional accessories, ensuring reliability even with extra equipment installed. Target riders and market position. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is aimed at riders who want a versatile, reliable adventure motorcycle without stepping into the heavyweight category. It sits perfectly between smaller dual sports and larger adventure tourers, offering a balance of power, control, and manageability. Whether you're an experienced off-road rider or someone upgrading from a smaller bike, the CRF 750L promises an accessible yet capable platform. Comparison and competitive edge. In a competitive segment filled with strong contenders, Honda's advantage lies in its reputation for reliability, smooth power delivery, and user-friendly technology. The CRF 750L focuses on real-world usability rather than chasing extreme specifications, making it a practical choice for riders who value dependability and long-term ownership. Final thoughts. The 2026 new Honda CRF 750L represents a thoughtful evolution of Honda's adventure and dual sport philosophy. With a balanced engine, advanced electronics, rugged chassis, and rider-focused comfort, it's built to handle everything from daily rides to epic journeys. For riders seeking a dependable, versatile, and modern adventure motorcycle, the CRF 750L stands out as a compelling option in the midweight segment. Stay tuned to Autos Vehicles for more in-depth motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and the latest updates from the world of two wheels.